You might be surprised by how challenging you find some of these small movements to be, but I want you to go slowly. I want you to work with your breath. So once you roll into your stomach, you're gonna reach that toys out of the way for just a minute. I want you to separate your feet about hip distance and really drive your hip bones into the floor, okay? You're gonna rest your chin on your towel and you're just gonna extend your arms out overhead. Now the movement looks like this. I'm gonna drive my hips. As I exhale, I actually drop my head forward. So I'm not trying to lift my head up. As I exhale and lift my whole scapula, lift my whole torso, I'm keeping my hands on the floor and I'm just kind of looking down at the mat. So this is really going to turn on your erector spine. Then as I inhale, I relax back down. Real simple. Now my toes are barely touching, but my knees and my hips are driving. Exhale, drive your hips, lift your torso. Don't cock your head back. Inhale, lower down. Kind of like you're going up an elevator. Drive your hips. Exhale, lift. By keeping the sides of your hands on the floor like this, as you lift and not cock our head back, we're going into a very subtle protraction of the scapula. And lower back down. 3 more times. Drive your hips. Exhale, lift. Lift, lift, lift. Hold. Inhale down. Last 2. Drive your hips. Exhale, lift, 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 lift. Inhale back down. 1 more. Drive those hips. Exhale, lift. 3, 2, 1. Inhale back down nice and slow. And you are welcome to turn your head to one side. Take a few deep breaths. Now, if you have the band, you're going to take this around your wrists. Now, I will say, if you don't have a band like this, you're not going to quite be able to replicate the movement without it, but you can still do the movement without it. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to start with my arms shoulder distance or mat distance apart. Now, if you don't have bands, you can obviously do this. You're just not going to feel that resistance, okay? And you're going to bring your forehead to your towel. And on my exhale, I'm going to drive my hips. I'm going to keep my left hand where it is. I'm going to gently externally rotate my right hand, thumb faces up, and then I'm going to lift my right arm slightly out to the right. Breathing 3, 2, 1. We're going to gently internally rotate the wrist, put the palm back down. Left side, externally rotate and lift in a subtle push to the left. 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate that hand. Bring the palm back down. Drive your hips. Externally rotate the right. Lift and push. 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate the wrist. Palm down. Externally rotate your left. Lift and push. 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate. Palm down. Last time, externally rotate, lift and push. 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate, palm down. Last one, exhale, externally rotate, lift and push for 3, 2, 1. Internally rotate, palm down, relax the tension, turn your head to one side, take a few deep breaths. This is body mechanics. It is a wonderful low impact movement practice. So yeah, it's a great little workout. It certainly helps to improve your strength, your control, your mobility, but those to me are byproducts. The whole intention and purpose behind body mechanics is to help reconnect your brain-body connection, to help repattern your body so that we can reduce inflammation, chronic pain, musculoskeletal issues. We can live more fully in our lives and experience less pain. And if you like this content, stay with me. We'll have so many more videos for you in the future, and feel free to check out our playlist. I already have a couple of body mechanics sessions in our body mechanics playlist on the channel. There's another playlist more about brain science, about neuroplasticity, understanding pain patterns, understanding pain research, motor control, things like that. Explore the channel, explore the videos that are already on the channel, and just know there's so much more coming. I hope this information helps. I hope this work helps. And if it does, let me know. I always love hearing your stories. I love hearing from you. Have a beautiful day, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one.